Have you ever been pulled over in your motorhome and had your weight checked? I haven't, but I watched a recent video of Life for Touring, so Lee and Jodie. They went to France and they were pulled over just as they went through the toll. Luckily, they were fine, but I don't know what weight our motorhome is. So today, we're going to take a trip to the Weighbridge locally and get it weighed. So come with me and see what we weigh. So just to give you a bit of background, our motorhome from the factory is 3,650 kilos, but we've had it up weighted to 4 tons. So there's 4 of us. So there's Becky, Elijah, Sonny and myself traveling with all our stuff. We're going away for 4 weeks. So I've got to make sure we're below that 4 ton. So it'll be interesting to see. So let's give the Weighbridge a call right now and find out what we need to do next. I'll let you guess in the comments below what our weight is. So I had a quick look online. I just typed in free public weighbridges or public weighbridges. I don't think this is free actually, but it doesn't matter because it looks very local.
Thank you for calling at Weetman's. Calls are recorded for monitoring and training purposes. Click 1 for bulk transport, 2 for the accounts, 3 palletised goods, 4 weighbridge and health and safety, 5
Weetman.
Oh, good morning. I've got a motorhome and I need to get it weighed. I noticed that you guys have got a Weighbridge online. Can I come and do that?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah.
What do I need? What do I need to do? I've never used one before.
Just turn up, really, 8 till 5.
Yeah.
£10 cash. That's all it is.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Just come on site, pull onto the Weighbridge, come over to the little office, and we'll deal with it, mate.
Right, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Thank you.
Okey-doke.
You're a gent. See you in a bit. Trada, bye.
Bye-bye.
Right, that was easy then. So it's 10 quid, and then we can go for the Weighbridge. So let's go get 10 quid and come with me to the Weighbridge. We're on the way to our local Weighbridge. It costs just £10 and it's quick and simple to check. It's so important to stay within your motorhome's legal weight limit. In the UK, you can get fined and even receive points if you're overloaded. And in France, there's zero tolerance. They'll issue an on-the-spot fine. So today, we're checking ours for peace of mind. Right, so I'm on the Weighbridge. Let's go get signed in with the guys here. How you doing? You okay?
And he says, do not take that. What he says on the... What is it you want to do here? Just the whole thing?
Yeah, unless you can do back and front. Yeah. I've got 4 ton, but I just want to make sure I'm miles with it.
So we'll weigh this now as the whole thing.
Yeah.
We'll do that, and then you can.
I'm 100 kilos, so I know that because I'm fat.
Then if you pull forward, you just put your front one off.
Yeah.
I'll weigh it again.
Yeah.
And then you can back up. He's moving out of the way in a minute, that blue wagon, so I'll be able to see them. But
I thought, I didn't know if you had a pad at the front and a pad at the back, so I've tried to whack it in the middle.
What it is, the plate's got, I think that one's got 6 weigh cells. You've got 2 at that end, 2 in the middle, and 2 at this end. So it balances itself, so it doesn't matter where you are on the plate, it'll. So if you go forward and just keep your front wheels on the level bit of the concrete, that'll be best, and then come back and do the same thing.
Yeah, Sam, right. Right, so I've got to move my front wheels forward slightly so they're on the level bit of the concrete, and then we'll do the opposite, then we'll back it up so we can weigh the front and the back. Right, so let's move this forward a touch. I guess my wheels are about there. Let's have a look. I've got to put my front wheels on the concrete pad, but I can't tell what that is because they're stupidly hidden under this thing. Oh yeah, perfect. Right, he's just told me to back the back wheels onto this bit here, just so I can get the back weight now. Let me show you what I mean. We'll get the back wheels on there basically. Right, back wheels on. Let's go see what we are.
Name is it, please?
It's Dave. I just watched a video, a family gone to France they'd gone for the toll and they got pulled over straight away.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, and then just got away. They were fine, but I thought, I've never done mine. Ours is meant to be 3,650. We've had it up
just lately, you know.
Yeah, it's the thing though. I know the reason it prompted me is because I've seen a lot of videos where people are getting stopped at the moment just to get weighed. Yeah. I don't really want to go to prison in France.
Before.
Mhm.
Oh, you'd be alright.
Yeah, there's 4 of us. I've got 2 young boys, my wife,
Yeah.
and then because we're travelling through France, I tend to have it a little bit. I tend to prepare for the end of the world.
You
So
have to watch the toll roads and that. I went through. Well, I've been at 3 times. I've been on a bike and I've been in cars. And
yeah.
Yeah, it can be a bit funny. It's only French, the Spanish don't care.
Yeah, I know.
They don't bother.
I've been lucky, but I thought, sod's law. I've watched this video now. It's going to happen to me, and I'm not going to know because he literally interrogated him, and because he had it up plated, the officer was looking at the previous plating, and he was like, "No, you're miles over." And so I've had to put my logbook in just in case because it's on there and it's.
You can prove everything, mate.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
Have a good time.
Thank you. What? Oh, it's on there. Idiot. What have I got?
So you've got, that's the whole thing.
Oh, I didn't see it. Yeah.
3560.
Yeah.
Then that's your rear end 2, and then 1680. You might get a little bit of variation.
Yeah. So I got tons.
That weighs in 20 kilo increments. So
yeah, it's pretty. But that's. I mean, I've got plenty on there.
Yeah, 3650. Yeah. If you're a 4 ton, you've got 450 odd kilos.
Yeah. So we are 3,560. So I won. Not that you had a chance to respond, but yeah, 3,560. I'll keep that with me just in case. I mean, we've got more stuff to put in there, but if you ever consider go to Weighbridge, it's that nice. I don't know if they're all that friendly, but that was a really good. Where you gone? Come back. Yeah. So I don't know if they're all that friendly, but that was a nice, easy process. So if you're considering it, give it a go. We're 3,560 on this one, so I think that's gives us a load of scope to play with. So I'm going to get this motorhome clean now, and then we're off to France. So we're going from Portsmouth to Caen. So that'll be our next adventure. So I'll see you there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found it interesting, give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button. And if you press the little bell icon, you'll get notified of our new content. Hopefully this was a helpful video. Let me know in the comments below if you've had something like this. And I'm going to head home. Quick shout out to Ed Weetman Haulage and Storage Limited. If you're in Staffordshire and need a weighbridge, it's just £10. Super easy, really helpful and highly recommended. Thanks for watching.